more passing record there is, and he accepted a full ride football scholarship to Northern Arizona University. In basketball, despite not getting to us till December 28th because he was leading our team to the championship game, he still managed to lead our team in scoring and rebounding. He was selected as a first-team All-SFL player, a second-team All-Metro player, and he helped lead our team to a NorCal Division II Final Four. This young man is a tremendous competitor. He's never afraid of the moment, excels in pressure situations, loves challenges, always seems to find a way to make a big play at a critical time. He also carries a 3.97 GPA, so he obviously does a great job in the classroom as well. I've literally had the pleasure of coaching this young man for 3 years. I've got to spend a lot of time with him. And honestly, I can attest not only to his tremendous athletic ability, but to the fact that he is just an awesome kid. I love this young man like son. So proud of him. Happy for all of your success. Can't wait to see what he does in the next 4 years. Your 2017 boy athlete, you're so smart.